record it. I have to explain you again. Okay. I have to explain again the greenhouse effect. As I told you, during the daytime, energy will be received, lot of heat energy will be received by the earth, and it will be heated up during the day. Then after sunset, this will start emitting the infrared radiation, IR, according to its temperature. And all the bodies above 0 Kelvin radiates the energy, as we know. Earth radiates the infrared radiation after the sunset. So here are the gases, greenhouse gases, as CO2, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, and so on. They will prevent the escaping of this energy. They will send it back. They will prevent its escaping to the space. So all the atmosphere will be heated up, and temperature will be controlled after the sunset. Otherwise, it will be very freezing cold. Minus 18 degree will be the temperature within few hours of the sunset. Okay. So the इसका advantage है, but because of the enhanced human activities and the concentration of greenhouse gases is going up in the atmosphere, that increases the temperature, average temperature of the atmosphere and earth also by few degrees. And at the end of the century, it will be increasing by 3 degrees. Now it is 0.6, 0.3 to 0.6 degrees more as compared to few decades back. So if temperature goes up, average temperature, the polar ice will start melting and glacier ice will also melt. The water level will go up. Coastal areas, life at the coastal areas will be endangered. तो ये उसका disadvantage है अगर concentration of greenhouse gases goes up. ठीक है, so that is to be prevented. ठीक है, and now Newton's law of cooling, this part, they have deleted, but briefly we can cover this also. Newton's law of cooling can be useful for your competitive examination. So when you keep the hot coffee in the room, suppose आपने hot cup of the coffee रखा, so initially it cools down faster, and then when temperature drops, rate of cooling decreases. That's what is the Newton's law of cooling. Rate of cooling is directly proportional to the excess temperature of the body. जितना ज़्यादा extra temperature होगा उतना fast cooling होगा. As the temperature decreases, rate of cooling also decreases. That's what is the Newton's law of cooling, and he proved this from the Stephen's law. Stephen's law से उसने ये prove करके दिखाया. Rate of, so proof is not in our course. It was not in our course, but statement is important. And इसका फार्मूला कैसे बनेगा देखिए ऐसे. रेट ऑफ कूलिंग को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे हम लोग. dt by drop in temperature per unit time is directly proportional to excess temperature. Ts is the T is the temperature of the body, temperature of object, and Ts is the temperature of surrounding. Atmosphere का temperature है Ts. ठीक है. तो dt by dt, ये कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी का साइन हटेगा तो माइनस मींस यहाँ पे माइनस होता है एक्चुअली. दिस माइनस इज दिस साइड बिकॉज टेम्परेचर इज ड्रॉपिंग. यहाँ पे माइनस, समथिंग इज डिक्रीजिंग मींस उसका डेल्टा टी माइनस आता है, तो ये माइनस इधर शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. एंड न्यूमेरिकल्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, बट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू द न्यूमेरिकल्स, ओनली फार्मूला वी आर लर्निंग. न्यूमेरिकल्स यू कैन सॉल्व फ्रॉम योर टेक्स्ट बुक, सॉल्व एग्जांपल दोज हु आर गोइंग फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन. ठीक है. तो इससे ये टेम्परेचर जो है ले सकते हैं एवरेज. दिस टेम्परेचर ऑफ बॉडी यू कैन टेक इट. के कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड बाय इनिशियल कंडीशंस गिवन, और बाद में सेकंड whatever they are asking they can solve the numericals. There are some solved examples. ठीक है. तो rate of cooling is directly proportional to the excess of temperature of the body. तो ग्राफ देखते हैं. तो सपोज ये ग्राफ है उसका रेट ऑफ कूलिंग का. देखो ऐसा इनिशियली क्या है, when the temperature of object is more, so you can see the cooling rate is, see this drop in temperature takes lesser time. ये देखो इतने टाइम में टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप इतना, नाउ टेम्परेचर बॉडी का इधर टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप है, इधर टाइम है। तो व्हेन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ बॉडी कम्स डाउन, देखिए यहाँ पे आ गया टेम्परेचर, व्हेन द टेम्परेचर इज ड्रॉप, तो नाउ रेट ऑफ कूलिंग इज गोइंग डाउन। सी सेम अगर आप डिवाइड करें दो पार्ट में, है ना, यहाँ से देखिए ये इतना देख लीजिए, ये है ना, इन दिस टाइम इंटरवल this much drop is taking place, and again next time interval less drop is taking place, this much देखिए same time interval में rate of cooling is coming down, exponentially coming down, what we can say exponentially coming down, ऐसा initially fast then slow down and further slows down, ठीक है। that is the graph Newton's law of cooling का change of temperature of the object with respect to time, it is exponentially dropping, ठीक है। तो this is deleted now, Newton's law of cooling जो है अभी they have removed from this for this year only for your that 11th standard point of view, competitive examination में it will be there, Newton's law of cooling. All right, so this was your chapter thermal properties of matter, and there are two more chapters based on the heat, thermodynamics and kinetic theory of gases. Before we do that, we are going to the chapter number 14, that is the oscillation. Oscillation करने के बाद remaining we'll come back to 12 and 13 chapter. Total 4 chapters are remaining now. We are switching over to the 14th chapter, that is oscillation. ठीक है? So let's see what is that chapter and where do we come across the oscillation. देखिए